Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Unveil. Unveil means remove veil or covering from. For example, the mayor unveiled a plaque. The mayor unveiled a plaque.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Last September, in the presence of survivors, a striking monument was unveiled there. Now, repeat after me. Last September, in the presence of survivors, a striking monument was unveiled there. The second exemplar. The Queen unveiled a wonderful monument on Saturday on behalf of the nation. Now, repeat after me. The Queen unveiled a wonderful monument on Saturday on behalf of the nation. The third exemplar. His family will be at the opening ceremony to unveil a plaque in his memory. Now, repeat after me. His family will be at the opening ceremony to unveil a plaque in his memory.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Only 2 English words in current use end in "gry". They are angry and hungry.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.